Say hi, everybody. My name is Mickey. My name is. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Put your tongue inside. Good boy. So you're. Put your tongue inside. Don't be doing that. Don't you know you're an excellent big boy?
Do more. This is our finely blended crayfish and pepper. There's a lot of it here to go around. There's beef here, the leaves I showed you earlier. We have like more. This is cow meat. This is cow meat, and in this later we have goat meat and pomo and some chicken. We're putting the chicken in the atama. Some people say that you don't put like chicken inside afang soup, but my goodness, you should give it a try sometimes. It's not that goat meat and beef serere arguments we should do. If you try chicken inside your afang, well, I'm going to let you try it, and today I'm not going to defend it, but I literally highly support it. Oof, there's a lot of beef going on here. There's nothing like having full afang, the king of soups. Afang is a man, leave it. That's all the argument. So yeah, this is for a full household. How many are we in this house?
We are 18.
Oh yeah, you've heard, we are 18. Hi people, hello everyone, just you're amazing. Today we're going to be making two very delicious Cross River Efik delicacies. So we're going to be making afang soup and also editan. Stay with me. So right now we've cut some of our water leaf and we are just putting into a pot to clear the tray, so we'll do the other one. This country has spoiled. Oh. Can you imagine? Look at this afang. Do you know that this is just 3,000 naira afang? We actually set out to make afang soup alone, but the water leaf we bought was too much and the afang was too little. That was when we now decided to add a editan. So now this is a editan. It's been finely chopped and blended. This is afang, the one in the pink plate, and this is editan. This is some of our water leaf. And let me take you to see more of it. Oh my, I wish you saw our bunch. It was a lot. Have you seen fresh water leaf like this? We got this this morning, and it's this evening we are making our food. So yeah, yes guys, this is it. It was so much. I just like finished, like I was at Oyo recently for a long time, and I came back here to this our very expensive city, Abuja. I saw very small water leaf. They are selling 1k. This one we bought was a lot. It was worth about 5,000 naira, and well, it was such a good deal compared to the things that I saw previously. Look at our husband man doing our slicing work. Hi Brian. Thank you. 1,000 yards, 1 million husband material yards. He's not even using the chopping board, but when I go back to this, of course I'm using the chopping board. So yes, we're going to be doing this. When we get on, you'll see more. Right now I'll head on to like wash the proteins we'll be using for both of these soups. Stay with me. Everything, and then we would cover the pots. For the atama, and now for the atama, we're putting the water leaf into the pot right now. Remember, like I've steamed the meat, and soon we'll work with it too. But for now, just the water leaf.
Red oil, meat. No, mama. Hot leaf, Maggi for taste.
Okay, that's what we have here. More meat to put later, so it's not overcooked. Should be anti-shishu.
Yes.
Okay. Let me go back to slicing more what we leave. See ya soon, people. That's an extra seasoning cube. We're slicing.
What?
outcome of our very delicious soup. Mmm. The aroma. No, leave it. Afang is the king of soups. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's cover it. Now, we're steaming. On the other hand, I told you we're also making a tema nearly simultaneously. But like, yeah. So this is we're trying to prepare the like do the whole marinating thing of the proteins we would use. There's beef here, there's pomo, there's a bit of dry fish too. But like when we start steaming, I'll take out, like after a while I'm definitely going to take out the dried fish so it does not scatter. So this one is for the atama soup. It's going to be a smaller soup compared to our big afang. So now we put our water leaf, we have put the afang, and now the meat stock. There's no water, like we didn't put a lot of, we just put like about a cup of water. So we put the meat stock now. So is that meat stock that
what? Hot leaf? Sorry.
pure? Our soup is becoming our soup. Right now we're adding more pomo into the mix, you know. This smells good. This smells good. This smells good. Come on, my shadow. Yeah. So yes, we'll clear up our pot and cover it for about 2 more minutes. And that would be all, my dearest people. So I'm done, and this is how my atama looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I've also packed it into like a big custard bowl, so this one can last the family for about 3 weeks, or if it's the full family let's say 2 weeks. So yes, and it tasted so good. I was very happy to clear my plates. You see? Omo.